Hi everyone, I am Katie the Crafty Blog Stalker, and today I'm going to show you how to create a banner using these alphabet pennant banner pieces. Now this is a file that I designed in Cricut Design Space, and these pennant banners are so cute. So I'm going to show you how to create the words for your banner and get them ready to cut. So the first thing you want to do is click over here on Customize. If you click on Make It, it will cut all of the banners, and then you'll just have an alphabet banner. So we're just going to click on Customize. It's going to bring it up here in this window. I'm going to come down here and minimize everything so I can get all of the letters here on my canvas. Now the banner that I'm going to be creating is going to say happy birthday, but since all of the letters are here, you can really create a banner that would say anything you want, whether it's for a wedding, an anniversary, a baby shower, a child's name, whatever you want the banner to say. But like I said, I'm going to do happy birthday. So I'm going to show you how to select just those letters. Okay, so I'm just going to start spelling happy birthday, and I am going to select on them and kind of pull them aside. So there's my H, and then I need my A, and I'm just going to pile them for now. P, now I'm going to need more than one P, so I'll show you how to do that here in just a minute. Happy, now I'm going into my birthday, B-I, R, where's my R? Birth, H, I already have H, D, A, I already have A, and I already have Y. So all the letters that I need are right here on this little stack. Okay, so I'm going to select all of the others. Whoops. I'm going to select all of the other banners just by highlighting and dragging my mouse over them. And I'm going to delete them because I don't need them. Okay, so now I'm going to select all of these down here again. Oops, that one stayed down and that one stayed down. I pulled them down just a little bit too far. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I want to resize these to the project, to the banner that I have in mind. So the easiest way to do that, to make sure that they are all the same size, is I'm going to highlight all of them. I'm going to come up here to Align, and I'm going to center them. That's going to make them all stack on top of each other and make them the exact same size. And then I'm going to click up here and I'm going to change my width to 5.5. And then that will resize all of my banners so they are all the same exact size. So now what I'm going to do, click off, and I'm going to start spelling my words here. I kind of have to separate them first since they're all layered. There's my H. And I need A, whoops, A, P. Now remember, there's two P's, and right now we only have one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it, click on duplicate, and now I have my two P pennants. And there's my Y. Then I'm going to spell below the birthday. Happy day, and then I need another H, so I'm going to do the same, duplicate that H, D, A, I need another A, and I need another Y. So there are all of my pennant pieces there for my happy birthday banner. So I could go ahead and have it cut right now, but I want to do a little bit of customizing because I actually want to cut these out of 5 different colors of felt. So just to help me keep my my mats separated with my colors of felt, now I'm going to go in here and change the color of some of my letters. Now these aren't necessarily the colors that I'm going to be using, but it's just going to help me kind of keep everything straight. Okay, so do you see here how I am selecting these or changing the colors? I click on the pennant banner or the letter, click on color, and there I want all of these 3 letters to be cut out of the same color. And I'm going to move on to a different color. Again, the color doesn't matter. If you want to, you can go through and select the same colors of your banners or of your felt or your project that you're going to be using, but you don't have to do that, of course. So just bear with me here as I go through and I select some letters. And the best thing is once I'm all done, I can totally change these around too. Of course, everything is customizable and I can change it however I want to. And in fact, I'm even going to change that Y right now to that pink. And I'm going to change that one to a new color. We're going to go like that. I'm going totally random here. And there. So there are my 5 colors. Okay, you can see my 5 colors there. And if I come over here to Color Sync, you can see them there as well. Now I am ready to cut it out. So I'm going to click up here on Make It. And here we're going to have to do a little bit of arranging as well because the material size we're using is 9 by 12. And Cricut automatically assigns 1 banner to 1 9 by 12 sheet, but we can actually fit 3 on there. So what we're going to do, we're going to come down here to the 3rd one. We're going to highlight that letter, and up here this little circle with the 3 dots, we're going to click that, and we are going to move this letter to another mat. So we're going to move it to the first mat, and then how we are going to layer them so they all fit is we are going to turn them. Okay, just turn them, and then we still have another one down here. So we're going to take this one. Again, we're going to assign it to another mat. And we are just going to rotate it the other way. And then it will fit, all 3 of those banners will fit on 1 9 by 12 sheet. Now, of course, that does depend on the size that you made each banner. But I did that on purpose so that I could fit 3 on 1 sheet. So now I'm just going to go through and do the same to all of my sheets. Okay, now that I have all of my letters condensed onto my shorter 9 by 12 pieces here, because I'm using felt, and that's how the size of the felt sheets. So now I'm ready to go. So I am going to click here on Continue. This will take me to a new screen where it will either connect to your machine automatically if you are ready for Bluetooth, or you can select your machine and connect it from there. Okay, now it is going to let me choose my material. So I am going to be using felt. I already have it selected here. It came up as one of my favorites. If you do not see it here, then you can click right here and browse all materials, and you can type in felt, and then you can find your options for felt right there and select it there as well. So I'm going to be using felt. I like to set it to a little bit more pressure just to make sure that it gets cut how I want it to. And then right here it has it as the fine point blade. But I want to edit my tool I am going to be using the rotary blade to cut my felt. It just cuts it a little bit nicer. And there, it changed it to the rotary blade. And so now I am ready to go. I go to my machine now, I press the little blinking Cricut button, and then my machine is ready to cut, and I follow the prompts from there. So it's really super easy. I hope you guys love this pennant banner with these fun alphabet pieces as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.